My name is Robin. I'm from the Suriname market. We came here to check the blockstones machine, and we're here at the company, and we get the best treatment we have. The block machine, we have a guide here, and we saw the block machine, we saw the materials, and the materials are full, high quality. We are very happy to see the block machine here, and we had the guide here at the workshop were very pleasant, very good, and the service we got from Robbie from the company was perfect. We got all the explanation. We have seen all the materials. We have seen the molds. We have seen the things, the parts of the machine we wanted to see.
Yes.
The treatment we got also from airport to hotel was great. The accommodation was good. We were very happy with that. So we thank the company for being here and to have this guide. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you for
Mr. Bobby.
coming. Yes.
Thank you, welcome. Thank you for being here and to show us everything here. I'm very happy to meet you.
Thank you. Thank you for your trust and choosing our block machine, and we will supply you the best machine with the best quality and the best service.
I trust them.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay.